reference condition. Performance assistant developing presents. Fed day? Yeah. Terms and conditions. 30 days. BMR securities. As soon as reasonable, protocol and subject to the company security required waivers. Interesting. The world is on fire. On fire. I think we recovered a bit here. Let me move this one over actually. Move this one over. Good morning, guys. Good morning, John, Jeff. Now you can chew your fingernails all day watching Luna. Good morning, Jeff. Dave, good morning. CM, good morning. Donald, good morning. Omega, heyo, heyo. Vladimir, good morning. Jay, good morning. Paige, good morning. Curry, good morning. Trying to make up it's quite they're quite confused. I think we had data not too long ago too at 8:30, so the markets dropped a bit but then recovered. So just confused. But then again, we're sitting at all-time highs, so I don't know how confusing. Yeah, you got headset. You followed Musty. Oh lordy, there it is. Yeah, that thing has been dropping, Jeff. That thing's been dropping. I've told you, Jeff, like how to play pre-market. There's only two ways. Go watch the video, Jeff. You haven't watched it yet. There's only two ways. Well, that I like to play it. So only two, Jeff. If you don't see one of those things, stay away. Because I don't see any of it here. So, not yet. Not yet. Anyways, CPOP has had a really nice pre-market too, but then lost most of those gains. We're back to $6.80. Isn't that crazy? $9 back to $6. VERO is still kind of going sideways. MNPR is still playing with 80 cents, which is okay, I guess. BuzzFeed, meh. There's a lot of meh this morning. Pops and then drops. Is reading Proverbs daily isn't helping? No, it doesn't help. About not being greedy while green, Jeff. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, you've been green quite a bit and not taking profits. So yeah, Luna's at $9 now too. Anyway, so the bottom from yesterday was $8. If we can stay above that level, that's not too bad. Good morning, Kel. A holo, please and thank you. Yes, please. I would like that very much as well. I would like that very much. You wouldn't touch Luna? No, Luna's different now. Luna's different now if you're looking for a brand new position. So yeah, let me pull up the Luna updates. What is that? LRHC. Let me take a look. LRHC. And then EasyFL had some news too. So this one's had a nice pop. And then EasyFL had some news. My goodness, there's a lot of things with a lot of things with the news. Okay, top gainers here. What do we have? Yeah, that thing for a second jumped all the way to the top. 205% actually. La Rosa. La Rosa. From $1.30 to $4. Nice. Interesting. Top gainer. Grayscale Biotech, GRCL, acquisition complete. Interesting. Okay. Ayo Virus, good morning. Maya Luna, pre-market at $10. They made you do it? Okay, well, that's good. Because you're better off now than you're better off selling than what it is now. So is with imagine if it is with NVIDIA. Yeah. Well, I like that the stock hasn't had that massive run yet, John. So the potential is for sure there. I hate when everybody's expecting something to come on a company, though. You know, it can be quite disappointing. Disappointing. Virus, by the way, there's discounts on the funded accounts again if you want. It's like $20, Virus, for the 22 dollars for the 100K account. Yep. They did say it was an AI company. Okay. Yeah. I hate that they're teasing it, like tease, tease, tease. Yep. And then you just have to put in the coupon code. I think Rob did an announcement in the announcement channel, Virus. So, yep. So anybody that was looking to do some features. Son of a bee. Yeah, it looks like La Rosa is stalling below 5 there, 480-ish. Stalling. MNPR still selling off. VERO still selling off. AGRX, nothing happening. BuzzFeed, meh. CPOP looks like it's holding $6.80 though, which might be okay here. $6.80. We might just have to wait for the market to open. Everything seems a bit, but I believe is the better way. I'll do funded one more time, but I believe self-funded is the way. Yeah, I think they know what they're doing. Virus. Yes. I think we have that video in the education channel, maybe. To make money off people like me. Yep. You're not wrong. There goes La Rosa with a nice pop. Dang, that thing moves like what's the float on this? It doesn't say on TradingView here, but my goodness, look at that, 320%. Damn. Snap. Yeah, 300% on that thing. My goodness. Wow. Destroyer of false profits. 5.3. Thank you, Yogi. Thank you. Yeah, 325%, 340%, 350%, 360%. My goodness, $6. Just like that. Yeah, it was, Travis. 370%. Sheesh. That's a really nice pop. It's a very, very nice pop. So if you're wondering why the stock is pumping, they announced not too long ago. They're doing an acquisition. So La Rosa acquires 7 real estate brokerage franchise with $1.4 million. Anyways, yeah, with their cash, the company that they're acquiring. So I think this is a case of a nice float, and sitting at the bottom. Now that Nvidia is over, yeah. Let's see what happens though when the market opens, because we're still kind of sitting at all-time highs now. So um, I don't know if those calls are going to be green virus. Howdy, Doug. Ayo. You know, I don't know with IV. I don't know. We'll find out soon enough. I say I don't know. I'll be pissed if it's not. Minus 50%. Yep. I'll be pissed if it's not. But little rubbish. Na, na, Ooh, that looks like a nice short for futures. That looks like a nice short. But I don't want to take any shorts. I'm expecting zero. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Probably. Sola Rosa. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, to zero. Yeah, there's no point. Those things they're gonna be nice. They're gonna be nice and red. They're gonna be so red. If anyways, let's see. Uh, um, choo. There we go. Honest, what do you expect from Luna today? Did we already see the top, Mr. Scott? Unless we see more buying pressure, I think we will see much. Yeah, right. And that's what we've been trying to warn. Again, we had this conversation before the market opened yesterday, right? Um, when you're expecting, like, Luna's gone from $2 to $14, right? I get that they're landing on the moon. It's cool. But every single time we have high expectations, like, oh my goodness, it becomes buy the hype and sell the news. Every single time, buy the hype and sell the news. So in terms of like what I'm expecting, I think for now I would more so just, the news hasn't come yet and it's had a bit of a sell-off. So for now, as long as we stay above the low from yesterday, which is $8, I think there's still a bit of hope. um, you know, still a little bit of hope. But I think at this point, if you got in pre $10, you should have paid yourself a little bit at least, right? You got in on the run up, all the way to $14. You should have paid yourself. And then the whatever is left, you're risking it to see if it rallies when the news comes out. You're not just sitting all in and waiting, or you're not FOMOing, right? So for now, what I would be paying attention to is that $8 level. If we stay above $8 on Luna, there's a chance that at some point we could run again. If we go below $8, I think that's a big red flag. That would be telling that people are moving on already. So stay above $8. The low from yesterday, please and thank you. Yeah. You always want to pay yourself before an event, especially if the stock has had a rally. If the stock hasn't had a rally, okay, cool. Maybe we can stay there and we can wait. But if a stock has had a rally into an event, you have to pay yourself. Have to pay yourself. Just watching out right now. Too much. Yes, it is. There you go. You're welcome, Mr. Scott. No. What are my thoughts on BuzzFeed? Oh, don't. I missed it. So BuzzFeed. Buzz, buzz, buzz. I do kind of like how BuzzFeed is giving us some higher lows into the open, actually, Rich. Seems interesting here. Obviously, this thing had a crazy run pre-market, and then, well, last night and then pre-market a bit to 58 cents. Um, so for now, if we can stay above 40, I think 40 is a nice demand zone, right? Yeah, 40 cents. So if we can stay above 40 cents, we're only at 43 anyways. So I'd be looking for support closer to 40 cents, Rich, already. And obviously, if we break above like a 40, 48 to 50 cents and then send it back to 58, that's what I'd be looking at there. La, la, la. Gail, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Vladimir, what are my thoughts on VERO? You guys are asking me these questions without really giving me anything. It really helps when you tell me what your position is. It makes a huge difference. So otherwise, I'm just. But yeah, what's your position in VERO? So with VERO, obviously this thing looks weak, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. It looks weak. Your next support, I'd be looking for that 200 and 170. So Vladimir, watch 170. If you stay above 170, you have a chance. Alrighty, so I'd be watching $1.70. And then after that, it's 160. I know it sounds like it's just 160, but there's a nice little wick all the way down to 159, 160. So, yeah, 170. Interesting. Rachel, good morning. I'll take a look at VLCN. I would take a look. Uh, Dropping below $1, news can be any day. Looking at buying, perhaps. Yeah, I've been watching that one, and it's done a good job staying above $1, which is good, John. So for now, like I would look for, I wouldn't worry about dropping below $1. I'd look for as close to $1 as possible, and then set that stop loss slightly below $1, and then just go from there. If it drops, then you're out. Alrighty. Yeah, it looks like they're protecting $1 for now, which is good. Can be a huge potential. Yeah. That's funny, Joe. Yeah. So as long as they're protecting $1, that's okay. Yes, yes, please. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. As we wait for the market to open in chaos, chaos, chaos. Let's see here. Actually, what about what is this? 65, 75, 60. 75. Hmm. Hey, yo, Kimbella, good morning. Riven is minus 20%. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, maybe that's where your ODTs would come in. Joe, I was looking at that short. What the hell is that thing doing? What is that thing doing? Hmm. It's stuck there, isn't it? It's waiting for anyways. Is there a good entry for MNPR, Cliff? Let me see what the stock looks like. Somewhere. I mean, you might have missed it. If I was looking for an entry into this thing, I'd be looking for closer to 75 cents. But then also I'd put a stop loss right below 75 cents because if it goes below, I think you might yeah, it really is chop. Just complete chop. Uh Complete choppy choppy. Interesting. Mm, let's see. Okay. Hey, yo, Mo. Yo, yo, yo. No position. Chart looks like a curl. I'll take a look. And makeup. At least I should look pretty when I get. Uh, yes, you should. You should, Musty. Anyways, moving on. Okay. BuzzFeed. What are we doing here? Still sideways? Yep. Oh my goodness. Look at AGRX. That thing had a nasty candle on the way down there. Oof. Not good. Posted, but oh, they had a filing. Okay, no, okay, a filing, a filing. La, 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 la. Mm, the bits on these ones. Here we go. Uh, yeah, you see that candle? Yeah, that was a pretty big drop, wasn't it? $1.10. That's the danger of pre-market, Pre-market. Pre-market dangers. There's 30 seconds left on that candle. Okay. Let's see. Just want to see if that candle closes green or red. And then we can move on. Huh, interesting. There we go. You have six. You have six. Six. You're short six ES. Oh my goodness. No, it was an uplisting, Kel. Uplisting. WETH is an uplisting. Uplisting. You have six contracts short. My goodness, you're waiting for the market to go to the abyss, aren't you? It looks like LRHC is curling into the open here, though. Trying to. There's a nice little demand zone at 420 now. LRHC. Good morning, Justin. Ayo Olu, good morning. Yeah, I think who mentioned it? Someone mentioned it in the chat. Yeah, that thing has actually done well because I think when we posted it, it was closer to $3. Now it's going for 5, isn't it? Interesting. Let me take a look here. So WETH. Oh no, it popped to 450, but then came back down. So it's back to 330. So that was a nice little scam. A nice little scam. Okay. Well, la, 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 la. A nice little scammy. Do, 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 do. Yeah, that thing looks like violence into the open, doesn't it? No, 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 no. Do, do, do. Hmm. Do, 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 do. There we go. No, 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 no. Perfect. Yeah, no, they had positive news. Palantir going to do? It's just bouncing lately. Yeah, it should be bound. It should look good this morning, though, right? Palantir. Palantir. It's yeah. I mean, it's up a dollar. It's up 5%, I guess. I bet you if I pulled up the S&P, the chart would look very similar. Yeah, it had a really nice run last night with Nvidia, and then yep. What's yeah? Let me take a look. Nvidia. Yeah. Fun we have in a minute. Look at this, right? So Nvidia. Yep. So I mean, Nvidia technically is going to open above the previous all-time highs, which is impressive. That thing almost ran to 800, which would have been nice. So that 11% implied volatility, these criminals knew exactly what they were doing. They're like, you want 11%? We'll give you 11%. We shall give you 11%. Isn't that crazy? Especially for Nvidia. Especially for Nvidia. Crazy, crazy. Interesting. Anyways, but yeah, so whatever Nvidia decides to do, Gail, that's what Palantir is going to do. That's what the entire market is going to do this morning, which is pretty. Isn't it crazy how Nvidia, for at least for a bit, controls the entire market? Crazy, right? Robinhood is horrible for trading. Bonjour, Emer. Bonjour, bonjour. Fun money. 1,000, $1,000 calls on NVIDIA. Yeah, fun monies. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when the market opens. Fun monies. Hopefully they're not at zero. None, you vet bill. Okay, let's make some monies, please. ES. ES is about to get inside. It's trying to recover now, Joe. But I think are you gonna hold that thing past the open? I won five today. Five. There goes LR. LRHC with a nice little curl there, Kevin. Yeah. So that 420 would have been really nice. 420 is Justin's favorite number, so obviously it's bouncing from 420. Yeah, that previous high was 620, of course. That's Musty's favorite number. And yes, Joe. About Robinhood is that it lets you withdraw your money, your profit same day. And Nets, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Tsesh, good morning. Daddy Nate, good morning. Yolos. Friday. Oh, you bought those? Oh, you bought those? Oh, yeah, you bought those yesterday. Focus, good morning. Congratulations, by the way. Jonathan, good morning. Is going up or should I sell? Jonathan, what's your entry price? What did you get in at? What did you get in at? You got in at 4,446. Nice. Don't go red, please, Kevin. Good job. 800 on the short. And you did 5 or 6? You did 6. My goodness. You just did 2 and then 2 and then 2 as you got confirmation. Dang, that's nice. Well done. Well done. Let's see what happens here. You have a at 61, 50, 61 there. Let's see what happens at that level. La 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 la. I added as as I was going red. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. La, 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 la. Sounds good. Yeah, maybe we sell off all the way to the 200 in the 1 minute, but it's holding 61 for now. 61. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, it's tipping like a. Thank you, John. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go, Justin. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's a nice dip. That's a very. Ooh, how much now, John? Joe. That's a very nice dip. Joe's up $1,000 on those dip skis. Up 1,000 on those dip skis. I should stop looking at futures. This is distracting. Very distracting. Like you should stop, but then you keep staring. La, 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 la. Let's see. I'm just watching the 200 there, Joe. I want to see if that thing stays above the 200. Do, 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 do. Or if it goes to the abyss. Is it gonna hold? Do, do, do. La, 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 la. Yeah, it's holding the 200 for now, it seems. For now, it seems. La, 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 la. There we go. Okay. I know, Joe. I know. It's just the streaming, and then yeah, that's a nice bounce of the 200 there. Anyways, la, 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 la. To come back so you can into your accounts. Really, Justin? Oh, that's annoying. That's very annoying. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us in Discord. So, John, come join us in Discord. Alrighty? Come join us. Uh, Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Here we go. On AT&T and Verizon. Yep. Who, me? Yeah, you, John. Yeah, you. Come join us in Discord. Let's see here. Na, 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 na. Bouncy bounce there. Here we go. Anyways, moving on. Let me look at. I think maybe our hope into the open is that LRHC goes boomskis immediately, but we'll see. We shall see, because everything else seems to be a little bit stagnant. Maybe the market just wants to see what happens with NVIDIA at the open, and then we can move on. But we'll see. Everything just seems a bit sideways. A bit sideways. Max, good morning. No immediate boom. I need to get in. Immediate boom skis. Yeah, no, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like LRHC is stalling at 560 for now. La 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 la. So click on that link. It will. If you click on the link, it will tell you, John. So click on the join link. So it would be the level that says Discord community, or Legend, or Goat. One of those levels, and then it tells you what it offers. If you click on the on the title and then the price. 5+ at the open, and then we go to the abyss. Imagine, Joe. Imagine. I can only imagine what it'd be like. Rubs hands. As long as you don't get a scam candle on the way up, though. So, thank you, Max. Thank you. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? What's your favorite stock? Which one are you looking forward to the most? Which one are you looking forward to the most as I look at these other things here? Okay, cool. Grateful for. Let's see. Impressive. Very impressive. Interesting charts. Okay. And then the bits on this. Bits on bits. That's interesting. BR, what's your question? So Wimi, Bria, okay. Luna, okay, sounds good. Yeah, BBAI. Okay, let me pull up BBAI actually. I need to make sure I am paying attention to NVIDIA too in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Is BBAI really barcoding like that? It is, isn't it? I mean, at least it's up 8% though. At least it's up 8%, so that's not too bad. But that thing had a nice gap in pre-market and after hours, and then just nothing. That's a crazy barcode. It's because of these massive, I mean, the float actually for this one isn't too bad. It's not as bad as sound. Like it's 50 million, right? Sound is like 200 million or something, so not as bad, but still, that's some barcoding, some crazy barcode action. Let's see. Uh, and interesting. Some interesting candles. Um, there we go. Good morning, Sky. Good morning, Virgo. Na, 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 na. Good morning, everybody. There we go. Anyways, so moving on. Yeah, this one is still stalling below that 560. What's Luna doing? La Luna. Luna. La, 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 la. Yeah, Luna is at 880 now, so it's looking a little bit sus, isn't it? A little bit on the sus side. Here we go. Really, Verizon? You too? Verizon and AT&T? Uh-oh. Massive sell-off at the maybe buy calls on the dip. Sky. I thought you were done skis with it. I thought you were done ski with it. Sky's like, nope. More calls, more calls, more calls. Yeah, just be you have a position already, so just be careful, please. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Uh, Here we go. One long. Yeah, I see what you're looking at. See what you're looking at. I just need to stop looking at futures. See what you're looking at. Good morning, Lori. Steadily trending upward. Okay. Yeah, Luna is almost back to 9, so that's good at least. But yeah, that thing really needs to stay above $8. JL. I know you mentioned this one yesterday too. That thing's at 19. Look at that. That is pretty steady, isn't it, Rich? My goodness. You know what's crazy is like it doesn't need very much volume. Not very much volume at all. Oh, come on, Jill. Maybe I do how's that even a thing? Na, 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 na. Here we go. Good morning, Dan. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, that's a nice steady run. Steady run. There's going to be a yeah. The landing is this afternoon, right? Yeah. So they're saying the landing is 5:30. So yeah, they're saying the landing is 5:30. Interesting. Yep, 5:30. AOD. Um, there's a whole bunch of people in Discord, John. Yeah. So think of everything we do on YouTube's John and Beta in Discord. So like all the information you get on here is in Discord. 24/7. 24/7, John. And yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yes. If Luna the land, will the stock price, Tony? I don't know. See, the easiest thing to play is the run up into a catalyst, right? That's the easy part. Yeah. So trying to predict what people will do after news comes out is a different story, right? Everybody again, it's easy to tell that everybody thinks it's good news that a company is going to the moon, right? Easy. Okay, now when the news comes out, are people going to say, okay, that's it, I'm done, or are people going to buy? Who the hell knows? 90% of the time, people run, right? They leave the stock and say, thank you, goodbye, I've had enough, and that's not good. Night of fun, but without the hangover, yes. Yes. La 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 la. La, la, la. Ever heard SIDU space stock can give advice? If you, yeah, SIDU is a stupid stock. I'm kidding, by the way. I'm not really kidding. These guys have done a split, right? I think they have. How much time do we have? We have 3 minutes, Kim. Yeah, they've done a split. So, I mean, the good thing is that it's close to the bottom already. Like, it's been finding support around $4. Three whatever to $4. It's been finding a base over the last week or so. Um, but this stock has never responded to news ever, right? Like it's before the split happened, absolute trash. I think these guys are going to the moon at some point too. They're going somewhere, um, somewhere. You have 3 ES long contracts now. 3. Joe wants the bounce. Joe wants the bounce. Yeah, I think it's trying. It's trying. It's trying to find a base there, Joe. 3 ES. 3 minutes to 5. You sold the short though, right? So you joined the Discord 210. Well, we'll see. Fat candle up. Oh yeah, you secured the other monies, Joe. Yeah. Time frame, anyone? So the next catalyst is the landing. It's the landing, or the pictures. They said they're gonna send us pictures. They're gonna post pictures. So, yep. Uh, uh, virus. Oh, that's a nice pop. That's a very nice pop. Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah, let me get ready for chaos. I'm gonna pull up NVIDIA actually as we open. NVDA. NVIDIA. See how we open. La, 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 la. NVIDIA. And there it is. And there it is. Alerts. La, 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 la. Yeesh, that's a fat red candle, Joe. That's a nasty candle. Yep, look at that drop on NVIDIA. Virus, damn is right. Damn is right. Yeesh, that's nasty. Oh my days, these are some nasty candles. Ooh wee. These are some nasty candles. My goodness. Yeah, that was a nice little and then it comes back down. Oh my goodness, what a wild morning. BuzzFeed is popping. See, I need to go look at other things instead of these ones. Anyways, it looks like, yeah, LRHC is still kind of stalling. I think people were looking at NVIDIA anyways. BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed. 47. Yeah, we need to get back above 48 and then it's 50 cents. So this is just that typical morning reaction. Morning reaction. A morning reaction. Yeah. Did you used to holding those calls, the longs, Joe? Because that thing got entered. My goodness. Okay, at least now it's recovering. Yeah, that was nasty. Countdown to the YouTubes. Okay, there you go. So that's something we can look at as the day goes on too. As the day goes on. Heck no. There goes BuzzFeed dropping. CPOP kind of looks like it's curling, doesn't it? Above $6. BBAI we need to get rid of because it's not doing anything. NVIDIA is bouncing up, which is nice. Which is nice. There you go. Oh, NVIDIA is going back to the abyss now. Picture of the moon updated today. Oh, thank you, Musty. TCBP with some news. Okay. BTRDR. Oh, new option listings. Wait, Luna has options now? That's not a good thing, is it? That is not good. Not good at all. Not good. Not good. Yeah, I wonder how how we react with that initially here. Interesting. And Just looking at the list here. Looking at the list. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Luna, and then here you go. Uh, yeah, it hit 210. Yes. Yeah, NVIDIA looks like it's bouncing there now. Doo-doo-doo. Here we go. Time to bandage up. Yeah, those things are dead. Dead. Okay, 760. Anyways, moving on. BuzzFeed is dropping, so nothing to see there. Is that BBAI? Wow, that thing's actually bouncing. CPOP, so is CPOP. So is CPOP. Does anybody really care about NVIDIA now? Do we still need to look at that? VERO. VERO. Actually, VERO hit 220. So, Vladimir, I guess you're joining Discord then. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Make sure you sign up for the right level. 750 puts, Travis. See, that's the problem now. People are gonna start looking at all these other things for Luna. I don't think it's I don't think it's the best thing that they have options now. Not the best. Let's see here. Here we go. I don't think we really have anything that stands out yet. There are a few scalps you can see, up and downs, but nothing really stands out yet as the clear runner. As the clear runner. What's going on with BBAI? Why is it pumping? Because of NVIDIA, AI. So anything AI, you should expect to see some type of like positive movement, some type of positive movement. Okay, yeah, yes. So names like BBAI. Not sure what Sound is doing this morning. Sound is up 7%, 6%. Right, it's still at $4, which is crazy. This stock can never get past $4 and stay above it. But yeah, so anything AI. Yeah, it's pumping, pumping. Yep. Virus should have formed into this stock already. You should have been in this stock. It's halted up actually. This is the Wheat Such Technology stock. Virus wanted. Wheat Such. He was in love as soon as he heard the name. Wheat Such. Such what? Wheat Such. Yeah, so it's halted. And watch 420 there for your next wall. You'd like for it to open above that wall though when it unhalts. Touch the moon, that's right. What exactly are we touching? I don't know. That's what they're saying. They're saying the company is We Touch. I think it's funny. Like the ticker symbol is also very funny. You know, very funny. Very funny. We Touch. We Touch Technology. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, CPOP. Yeah, such tease. Sounds. It does, doesn't it? His database. Why would you? What? Like, why? What's? Why would you call a company? I wonder what they actually do as a business. We let's look at their website. Uh, touch the world, touch the future. Oh my goodness, touch the world and touch the future. Well, that doesn't sound better either, does it? I mean, at least the touching, it's a healthy company, right? The touching good things, it seems. So that's good, right? Seems like a good thing, right? Yeah, seems like a good thing. Seems like a good thing. We touch. We touch. There we go. On scam companies, Travis. Yeah. I mean, I wonder why. Anyways, why they have the E in there? Like it's 1999. 1999. Unbelievable. Anyways, thank you, Jordan. But yeah, it's still halted, so we shall see. It looks like Nvidia is hitting the highs now. Yep, kind of. Kind of. I still don't see anything that stands out. Let me take a look at CCO here. CCO. Yeah, even LRET is selling off still, so there's nothing there. Let's see if we can stay above this pre-market low. 37 cents for BuzzFeed. 37 cents CCO. That must be a wrong. Yeah, that's the wrong one. Not a whole lot of volume there. Not a whole lot of volume. Not a whole lot of volume. There goes the pop, I guess, for CCO. Still doesn't have a whole lot of volume though. It's 50,000 shares, but it's popping. Interesting. I'll leave it up for a second here. ARM 140. Yep. ARM for sure was the way to go, virus. For sure. Without a crazy IV crush. Crazy. Okay. No. Yeah, CPOP is still curling there. 780-ish resistance, Justin. And wheat touch is still halted. That's what it says. Well, still halted for now. Let's see. You're just watching for now, Joe? Yeah, cheaper and safer. Cheaper and safer. No. Yeah, I think we just need to give the markets a few minutes here to kind of digest NVIDIA, and then we can move on. Cheaper and safer. It looks like we're holding 37 cents still for BuzzFeed. So pre-market bottoms. Yeah. So let's see. RXRX. Okay. Yeah, watch 320 to $3 here for this one if we keep dipping. Unless we consolidate sooner. and that's fine. But for now, yeah. Okay, let me move on here. Load, please. Load, please. La la la. Longs, longs. Oh yeah, you got those longs, Joe, at the bottom. Yeah, yeah. RX. That's a nice push. A very nice push. You like this one. You like this one a lot, Wes. Z Stonk. Oof. Joe, did you sell? No, did you sell it? Oh my days. It's back to that short if you want it. It's back to that crazy high. That's madness. How much time does that candle have? That's a wild candle. A wild candle. See, 880 now. Well done. Another one. Yeah, that was a very nice pop. Yeah, it's back all the way up there to that short. So the ask is 451 now. Okay, that's good. Yep, 451. 885. Okay, Sky, are you still on stream? Oof, Nvidia. You saw those Nvidia calls. Oof, oof, oof. Damn. Did you what's that position looking like? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, there goes your on holds for wheat touch. So it looks like they're touching things. They're touching something because the stock is going. So a 50% pop there. 50% pop for wheat touch. Dang, you might have sold those little just a little bit too soon, Joe. Just a little bit too soon. La, 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 la. La, la. There we go. You still have them? Oh my goodness. 14 for the threes? Or the you have five now? Okay, five. La, 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 la. Too big? Two longs? Okay, two longs. Okay. Two longs. La, 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 la. MNPR. Nice, nice little steady gainer, Donald. Steady gainer. That thing had 2 red candles at the open, and that was about it. Said thank you, bye. Thanks, but bye. Okay, let me see here. Do, 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 do. 45. $45. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Interesting. NVIDIA sending it? Yeah. About time. Looks like that thing dropped back to $4 and it's halted down now. So yeah, be very careful with that stuff. Be very, very careful with that stuff. Do, 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 do. So the markets are hitting all-time highs. Futures hitting all-time highs actually. All-time highs. All-time highs. It's impressive. Is the one that beats the one to beat in the chip world? Yeah, it is. Omega, are you holding for shorts? Yeah, I'm looking too. Are you holding a long Omega? Let's see. There we go. What did Biden do that they want to pump the market? Well, elections. That's about it. Nothing needs to be done, you know. Yep. Nothing needs to be done. You made some NVIDIA page. Congratulations. Yeah, one short. Okay. Let's see. Send it to the abyss. To the abyss. Imagine we go from a. Yeah. Nah, you've been scalping it. Okay, sounds good. Has the chip that is better but not for sale yet? Okay. Yeah, Tesla has a lot of cool things. So a lot of cool things. Cool things. C4 is pumping. I'll take a look. There we go. Take profits, you fools. Wild. Yeah, back and forth. Yeah, the volatility is nice. Yeah, it's going back up now. The volatility is nice. That's good at least. Send it all the way up. Another short. You're going to take the penalty, Koto. Taking your monies to the like you're taking the penalty on your broker. Yeah. If it means you secure profits, honestly, yeah. Then it's not the biggest of issues. Yeah. You had to run out of fun. Yeah. Fun has issues now. Fun has issues. Good morning, Ian. 90 days, it's not that bad. You have another account? Exactly. Yeah, if it means you secure your profits, honestly, it's better than like sitting there and losing money, just knowing that you're in a bad trade. I see people do that all the time. Like, I don't want to take my profits because I have PDT, and then next thing you know, they're holding a bag. Like, which one's more important? Which is more important? But I see you. Yeah, I see you. I always try and stay away from that stock. And day trading rules is such crap. The big boys can do whatever they want. I think it's the silliest thing ever. Very, very silly. Very, very silly. Very silly. Roma, I'll take a look. Yeah, you can just use that account for swing. Yeah, swings. Swing place. Anyways, yeah, wedgie still halted down there. Um, Barely getting a curl. So it looks like we could almost look at 340 for LR HC if we get a double bottom or just a higher low. May 2024. Okay, that's really good. May 2024. T plus 2. Okay. T plus 2. I think that should be really beneficial for a lot of people. Really beneficial. It's popping. ACHL. Yeah, that's the one. I don't know if it was you. Someone mentioned it yesterday. ACHL. Achilles. 10%. Okay. The candles on this thing seem a bit fishy, but just the way it's moving. One green candle, one red candle, one green candle, one red candle. Seems a bit fishy, doesn't it? A little bit fishy. A little bit fishy. Anyways, it looks good though. Needs a bit more volume. Yeah, that's the problem, Troy. Check out Roots. Sure. Roots. Ooh, that's a nice run. 53%. This company is still around. Wow, highs of the day. Yeah, it looks good. Wow. Is there a catalyst? Yeah, raised. Okay, so they got a price target upgrade. For following revenue, they reported earnings, and then the price target upgrades. Interesting. They must have said something in that report, which I'm not seeing in the headlines. I bet you they said something. It is. Hmm. Yeah, that stuff is always scary, isn't it? There goes Roots. My goodness. Remember when Roots was an AMC sympathy play? AMC sympathy. You're still holding 80s. Yeah. So you're right in that position, right? So you kind of realize what I was saying yesterday. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense now, right? Please protect your monies. Protect those monies. Yeah, this thing needs to give us a double bottom. So LR8C, oh, it's done. Right, double bottom at 340, oh, it's finished. Double bottoms. na, 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 na. Joe, are you still in that short? You should still be green. Market is looking a bit little bit interesting up there, though. A little bit interesting. That's an interesting candle. Demand zone for sound. Let me take a look. Oh my goodness! Look at that drop on roots from $14 to 12.80. Oh my days! Oh my days! La la la. Two accounts, two longs on each. You're doing both. My goodness. Yeah, you need you're looking for that break of the like the highs there. Break of the highs. Yeah, that thing is looking a bit shaky there. A lower high, Joe. Let me see. No one buy it. Anyways, yeah, let me look at the so sound demand zone. Well, you're not gonna see anything on a smaller time frame just because sound is not anything you want to see at least. Just waiting. Yeah, it's looking like 375 ish. 375. Even though if you look at the 1 minute, I think it's gonna give you a demand zone here at 380. Not sure how much I trust that though. I mean, it is a support level from after hours last night. So 380 and then 375 ish. 375. It wants it though. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah. That thing is fighting. Oh my goodness. It is fighting hard. Hard. La 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 la. Yeah, that thing is double topic crime. That was crime. Hello from prison. Hello, pizza. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. What do I think of Luna? Everybody's asking about Luna. Everybody's asking about Luna. What's your position in Luna? Let me know. So Luna, going where? To the moon. To the moon. Again, all I've said this morning. Where is it going? All I've said this morning is, Luna has updates today, later today, right? For now, I would focus on the technicals. As long as Luna stays above $8, there's a chance that there's a chance that it goes back, it runs back up, right? So $8 is really, really, really important. Really, really important. Uh, la, la, la. There you go. Joe, that was crime. I saw the damn candle. Oh my goodness. That was a big, that was crime at the highest. Yep. So you only have a few at 536 and you sold most, Travis. That's fine, right? So good job. Here we go. Come on, me. You double down on those grubs. You did. You double down on the longs. Sheesh. Damn, Joe. Joe wants the market at new all-time highs. Is what he wants. All-time highs. One of the better acting SPACs in a long time. Yeah. LACC. It almost looks like we're curling here on MNPR. It's one of those mornings, isn't it? Like it's, you can tell that there's scalps all over the place, like little tiny scalps, but still. Oh, interesting. Okay. A lot. And then give us a Luna type rally, Pablo. A Luna type rally. Yeah, I remember that one from yesterday, Musty. Oh my goodness, Joe. There we go. Roma looks great. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, this one really never gave us a double bottom at the 40, at the 340. So maybe at some point today it will run again. It looks like we are holding 37 cents still though for BuzzFeed, so that's good. And Luna stayed above, so highs of the day for Luna and the last candle. Not pre-market, but highs of the day. Yeah, that's a nasty drop there for. If it drops you out, but okay, there you go, Ian. Yeah, if it can stay above 37 cents, right? It's back to 40 cents now, so you can see that big fat green zone at the bottom there. It's holding it. So as long as it keeps that green zone, hope. Okay, Lotus Tech. You're on the screen, I know, Joe. I know. Roma. Roma. Yeah, Roma looks nice. 23%. Yeah, looks good, DP. Let me go back to BuzzFeed here because that one actually doesn't look too poor. Doesn't look too bad. Oh, maybe your rally is gonna come now, Joe. Maybe this is gonna be your run, unless we get another lower high. Then you have a problem. He's fighting the good fights. He's all in. Did you go all in? You went all in, and you're up 1,000 on both accounts. My goodness. Yeah, Peter, you had to put in the discounts. I think you have to put in the discounts. You're looking for Revenge Sky. It's not showing it. It's because it's a brand new stock, I think. Uh-oh. Hmm. Yeah, that's looking a little bit sus, Joe. Peter. Nasdaq at tomorrow. Not that those things have yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's something to watch for sure though. You know. Yeah, that's not looking hot, Joe. That's another lower high there for the markets. Lower high. Peter enters reverse. Yep. Here you go. Let's see. Uh, Dang, yeah, Joe. Just missed that short. Missed it. Anyways, I'll go shorts. Boom skis. Actually, if you went short, pizza, you'd be nice and green now. So nice and green. Yeah, it's crime on those candles, but it is giving you lower highs though. So, anyways, 26% for Roma. Roma actually looks. As soon as I say that, we get a fat red candle DP. But I want more. You're green, pizza. Okay, but you want more. As soon as you say more, the market said, "Ooh, la la." In Spec channel in Discord later today. Thank you. Some things. Okay, thank you, Pablo. Thank you. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. With champagne. Uh, oh, Peter. Oh my goodness. Doo-doo-doo. Oh yeah, there's your boom skis. There's your boom skis. La, la, la. Dang, it's a lot. Yeah, the ticket change. Yeah, so I'm sure we're gonna be talking about a lot tomorrow. Dang, just missed that. Just missed that short. Joe says I'm rich. Hopefully you sold it though. If not, you might not be rich anymore because that thing came all the way back down, and now Peter's rich. Michelle's dad. Oh lordy, everybody should roast him. True dope. There you go. 15. You sold it. Okay, sounds good. La, 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 la. Mentioning SNPS up 12%, NVIDIA ties. Okay, AI ties. Okay. Hmm. La, 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 la. A real company de-SPAC. La, 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 la. It would be nice to see that thing run tomorrow. So, complete the name change, please. Complete the name change. You're waiting at the window? Okay, sounds good. Complete the name change. What's the $16 is the high today? Today alone, $16. Oh wow, okay, interesting. Yeah, $16. We might need to pay attention to this one today. If it decides to start curling again, so the spread on these backs always crazy, you know, always crazy. How's Peter in Peter's he's having a what is that thing? Something in grits. That's what he's having in prison. Four coffees. Drink less coffee, please. Two on each. Okay. Two on each. La la la. Into a solid mark. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's because you're going all in. Those fives are crazy. Fives are crazy. Oh my goodness, Joe. Did you see that? Oh my goodness. It does. It almost feels like we're topping out, though, doesn't it? Like we're stalling at that level, like it's done. You know, like it's done. Hmm. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, the testing almost feels like we've hit the top now. But then again, it also seems like we're just going sideways and consolidating. So testing you, test. Well, yeah, you want new highs? Okay, new highs. Let's see. Yeah, the other than that though, the rest of the market is pretty boring. Everything just seems to be going sideways. Like BuzzFeed, fund name, pre-market sideways. MNPR sideways. LRHC sideways. Luna, of course, not really doing much. So yeah, sideways, 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 sideways. No, 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 no. Do, 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 do. Pizza, no, look at the range though, Pizza. Look at the range in the 1 minute. It's going up and down in that range. Just play the range in that, like, look at the 1 minute chart and then like see all those candles going up and down, up and down, up and down in that stupid range. Shut your mouth. So shut your range. 10%. Nice, Justin. Short term for upcoming catalyst. Not sure. I don't really. There really isn't a whole lot. It's not a whole lot there. No, 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 no. All-time highs. SMCI. Okay. Do, 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 do. Is that another lower high though? It looks like another lower high on that run. There you go. Okay. Yeah, this one is showing a little bit of life, Pablo, coming off the open low, market open low. So, 1350 to 1370. So, and it's back above 14, obviously. Obviously. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything, John. Everything. BuzzFeed is pumping. Oh, there you go. So, yeah, like I said earlier, as long as we stay above that 37 EN. So, 37. Hold the line. Hold the line. Do, 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 do. What a disappointment, Chase. Um, I don't know if I'd call it a disappointment. From $2 to $14, Chase. Right? That thing is done really, really well. Do you do options and futures? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Everything, John. So, I mean, all the comments you see in the chat from Joe is scalping futures. That's all he's doing this morning. Scalping ES. Scalping ES. Joe's up like $3,000 today, I think. You're in at $10, Chase? Okay, see, that's the problem though. It always depends on your entry price. Yeah, because to you it's a disappointment, but to anybody else that got in below, uh, yeah, there goes MNPR. Nice. MNPR. Do, 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 do. Hmm. Let's go, Greg. We do anything that moves. Oh my goodness, Peter, you belong in jail. Production company which Gelly 400 and well, I mean that's what they paid for it though. 14 months, Greg. Let's go. Greg has been on fire. On fire. Greg, much love. Thank you very much. Ready? Much love. Yeah, it's coming. See, that's what see, like it's going between the range, Peter, right? Joe is just playing the range. That's what he's doing. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Six long on each. My goodness, Joe is aggressive. So let me pull up the stuff from this other screen here so you can kind of see what it's doing, Peter. Um, right there, Peter. Right, it's going up and down in that range. Joe is going all in. Joe is going all in at the bottom, selling at the top. All in at the bottom, selling at the top. All in at the bottom, selling on a run. At some point, it's going to break that range, but that's the ES range. ES range. And missed a move on the 9 from last Friday. Yeah, look at that. It's bouncing already, Peter, off the bottom of the range. Look at that. That candle is already green. Look at that. It's green. Same bottom. Against him. just follow Joe, and then if the market goes against you, they enter Joe too. Look at that! Look at that! We just popped again off the exact bottom of the range. It break the range? No, Peter. What is no? It's going back to the top of the range again, and it's already failing at the top of the range. So, yep, that's it. That's it. Uh, there we go. La, la, la. To get airtight. At some point, it's going to have to make a decision there. It's getting really tight. Really tight. Really tight. Hmm. We need like one fat great candle, Joe. Like one fat liquidity grab candle. $400s soon? My goodness. That's wild. That is wild. Wild. Let's see. It's okay. Just need to quickly edit this. Where is it? Do, 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 do. Mm. Propaganda a bit more now. I feel like we've just been talking about futures this morning for the most part. Yeah, BuzzFeed still looks okay there. Still looks okay. Looks okay. Okay. Yeah, I use the there's a code in Discord in the one of the channels. Yeah, I wonder if we get a nice run today, Pablo, on LCAA before we get to tomorrow. Maybe we'll see. We shall see. That's wild. Wild. Okay. You missed the break. You missed the break. You might have a short at the double top though. You might have a short at the double top. But that dang thing looks like it wants to break out again, doesn't it? That thing is looking for violence. It's looking for virus. That's what it's looking for. Looking for violence. Is he gonna get it? Huh. Oof. Look at that candle. That thing is sitting at all-time highs. You're in one short. Okay. One short. It has to pull back. Futures. That thing said has to. Catch these. Has to. Yeah. Need a scam. Anyways, I like what BuzzFeed has done with that demand zone actually. 37 cents EN. Congratulations. What's your entry again? I think you got in at what's your entry price? Na, 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 na. Mm. 37 is your entry. Okay, yeah, you have a good entry. Yeah, you waited for that demand zone. Good job. If only that thing would just break 45 cents now and send it, that would be good. That would be good. Doo, doo, doo. Let's see. Let's see. I will not be sucking seed. Well, it's coming back down, so yeah, you need it to crash. Otherwise, you will be anyways. You brother. You brother. Yeah, the bits are slowly moving up actually for LCAA there. Hmm. Too bad that breakout level, Pablo, is all the way at 1650. That would have been nice if it was closer. You know, this could have been an easier breakout play. Pizza -5 to +100. Monies. Send it. Are you long or short? I think Joe is short now, so Joe needs the market to go back down. Otherwise, you were short. Okay, you shorted at the top then. You shorted somewhere. You kept adding. Okay. Yeah, it's moving now finally. Okay, it looks like we're bouncing off $3 finally. Yeah, finally, buddy. Some actual stock action. Some stock action. You have two ES shorts now. Okay, well you need that thing to go to the abyss. Two ES shorts. That thing really made all-time highs. My goodness. When's the market just gonna chill out? When? When? Yup, it's getting close, isn't it? Well, you said that for the last at the top, and it broke out. It broke out, Peter. I saw that. I saw the breakout. Having is wild. See what I mean? Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, but again, yeah, see what you mean. In that case, in like stuff like honestly, all yeah, in a case like that, you just as soon as it breaks out pizza, you just have to run so you don't get to 500. Easier said than done, of course, but yeah, if it's going in that range, if it goes in one, like if it breaks out, you almost have to just reverse it. That's when you reverse pizza. That's when you have to use the reverse when it actually breaks above a range like that. Or or when it breaks the bottom, if you're long, you just reverse shorts. I don't run. I either exit or they kick me out. Oh my goodness. Yup. Succeed. Two. Yeah, I wonder if we're just gonna keep hitting all-time highs today. Highs on highs on highs on highs. The market has done a good job of. You're done for the day. You made money, pizza. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, 387. Okay. Yeah, I see what you're looking at. Yeah, that's a nice bounce off $3. Fine, Joe. Fine. Not giving it back. Yeah. Oof! Look at that shorts, Joe. Look at that shorts. They will be sucking seed. That thing needs to die already. Die already. Can we stop hitting all-time highs? Can we just die? Dang, and it's recovering. Tomorrow, I'll give it back. Yeah, tomorrow, not today though. I don't believe you. 5 minutes later, pizza isn't that long. Or shorts. Yeah, Luna is doing a good job there. Luna is back to the highs of the day. So, yep, that $8 level holding for Luna, not too bad. You brother, you brother. We can't just stay at all-time highs, Go to the abyss. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, please, and thank you if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you have any questions, please ask. I know we're talking about random stuff and futures and whatnot, so if you have any questions, please make sure you're asking. There goes Luna. Luna's back to break even on the day, so that's good. Back to break even. Break even. And if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat to watch the live Luna. Yeah, Pablo posted a link in Discord. I'll have to go. I'll have to go look. I will have to go look later. I think Pablo also posted in the at the bottom here the stream. Yeah, stocks are pretty interesting this morning. When can you tell yourself to quit your job and day trade for a living? When you can replace your working monies trading. Ooh, that's a nice red candle. I'm gonna. Dang. Did you get rid of it, Joe? From making a lot of money in the market. But you learn over time. You do beauty. You do, and that's really all you have to focus on. Just one step at a time. GXAI, Greg. GXAI. Yeah, 17%. That was a nice breakout and a retest at 46 cents. Not bad. You're done? Okay. Sounds good. Interesting. I wonder if we've hit the top now, because that's looking a little bit weak. By early next year, and then day trade for a living, John. Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you, beauty. Oh, look at GXAI there, Greg. Ooh, that's a nasty candle. Yep. Join Discord, invest in yourself, John. Yep. Again, like a community is more important than people realize in your journey. So, yep, really helpful. Trying to do the same, Justin. Yeah. Yes. 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 Dang, Peter, if you stayed in that short, you would have printed monies. Depending on how many you had, you would have printed monies. Print, 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 print. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Printed monies. Let's see. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Mm, doo-doo, doo. Scanner. Scanner, scanner. Doo-doo, doo. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Let's delete this off the list then. Delete, delete. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Uh, doo-doo, doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Hmm. Okay. It's interesting. One second. There we go. After I retire, you can play more. Yeah, that's the yep. That's okay, Eric. That's okay. NVIDIA puts, perhaps, perhaps. Doo-doo-doo. Here we go. Does the stock split it? It's going to double? Probably. Okay. 37. I'm not sure if the at a dollar, good or bad thing. I would ignore that offering at a dollar and just focus on what the stock is doing for now, Katie. There's so many stocks that do offerings at higher prices, and the stocks are still going to the abyss, right? So I wouldn't be worrying about like what a stock is. AMC's done offerings at like higher prices, and it's done nothing. So for now, just focus on this. So yeah, I mean, it looks like the last 2 days it's hit 33 cents and stayed above it. So 33 cents is uh is what I would be paying attention to. Yeah, it needed to pull back. Yeah, for sure. Why are you going long again? Is that what you're saying, Joe? Or are you actually done? Done skis? Done skis. Oh, let me pull up. Mm, uh, here we go. Not giving any back. Well done, Dan. Well done. Well done. Well done. Monies. Monies. Yeah, for CPOP. Okay. You're done for now? Okay. You tagged me? Okay, let me take a look. Oh, yeah, that number is you. La, la, la. Do. Okay, sounds good. Texas? Texas. No gas station food, Joe. No gas station food. There you go. La, 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 133. Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, this one's actually done well since dipping to 88 cents. Some nice little higher lows. Huh. Yeah, the other day it ran to $1.56 Spyro, so I don't know if it's gonna do the same thing. I don't know. BuzzFeed came all the way back down again, Ian. So you might have been safer taking profits at 46 cents, and then almost getting back in at the same price. And donuts. That sounds yes, safer. Warrants 25%. That's nasty. 2.7 million. You know what's crazy is like that's not a whole lot. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, MNPR has done well. Okay. I just try not to taste it. Why do you buy donuts that taste funky? Is my question. Why? Why would you do that, Joe? Why? And then you go again to buy the same damn donuts, even though you know they're gonna taste funky. Anyways, there goes MNPR, new highs of today. Yeah, there goes 136. 136. Is Luna still just relaxing at the top? Yup. Just relaxing. It seems like the sticky areas in the zoo. Are you sure? Like it's not the hmm, I don't know. Let's see. Why is it not moving? Not sure. It doesn't feel relaxing? No, I bet it doesn't. What's your average, Jeff? What's your average? Super my my rice eating people. Yes. Yes, yes. Yeah, Luna needs to just get above like 950 and then send it back to $10. Welcome investment 450 million from Alliance. And it's not moving. Let me look. 9%. That's it. What's the float? 27 million. When was that? Was that today? They do have some really nice price target upgrades actually, Busty. It might be something to hold for longer. Might be. Yes, yes, yes. Hmm. Yeah, let me see here. Question for you guys in the chat: is it possible to? So let's say you have. Is it possible to sign in? This might be a question for like Joe and Joe or anybody else that uses like the connected stuff. Is it possible to sign in? So let's say you have multiple TradingView accounts, right? Is it possible to sign in to TradingView with? So let's say I sign in with one account today, and with like connected to TradingView Connect. Can I do that with? Can I use another TradingView to connect the other accounts? Is that possible? It is. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yes, Troy. Okay, thank you, thank you. Like separately, yeah, yeah, yeah. You will have different logins for each account. Can you? Yeah, you can if you have Webull, Eric. But this is futures. Yeah, futures you can connect, depending. I'm a simple man. I like it. No, 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 no. Different logins for each account. Hmm. See that? Cause. Yeah. Nas, what's your question for CPOP? What's your question? Using a tiny phone and a remote desktop and to with and it's amazing how you're doing so well though, and it's still winning exactly. Yeah. Um, it's stalling in a supply zone for now, Koto. Okay, sounds good. With your rule. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Joe. Be safe. See you later. 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 La, la, la. Yeah, Nas, let me know what your question is for 680 resistance for CPOP. Okay, let me look. CPOP. I think you're correct. Mm-mm. The reason I say no is because it's easy and it's above 680 already. It's sitting at $7. So it's not resistance. Your next resistance is closer to like 720, 730. S- 680. Oh, support at 680? Um, yes. Closer to 675. Yes. It has musty? Okay. Yeah. It seems like, I mean, they do seem to have good news. 15%, yeah, not too bad. So, not just today, like if you look at the last month, the entire, like last month, these guys were getting like price target upgrades. So, it might be a nicer name too. Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome. Uh, it's a D-SPAC? Okay. D-SPAC. Maybe it's gonna go for a run then. Yeah, it looks like we double topped on Luna and then came back down. Did you sell this thing, Justin? Sell, sell, sell. Interesting. Because let's see here. Wild. D-SPAC, D-SPACs. Okay, there we go. To get the news, maybe. Oh, I see. Okay. That's a nice pop. A nice pop. Okay. Yeah. You never know though, Musty. I think people look at the float and they're like, what the hell? And the volume really isn't there, right? Like it's just not there. Ooh, that's quite the red candle. Missed that. Mm, yeah, it's a slower day today for sure. Slower day today feels like a Discord day. Anyways, we have like 20 more minutes and then we're gonna hop off and then go back to Discord. Yep. Quite the drop. 60% of the company. Yeah. Yep. Doesn't always matter though, you know. That's why we keep saying like, yeah, news is cool, but it's really just the volume that comes in that's important. Really, the volume. What's the SPAC doing here? Still selling off, Pablo? Lows of the day. So this one might not run today, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Mm, actually, let me see. Summary. Summary. Mm, why? There we go. Another leg higher. Yeah, I mean, so as long as we keep getting those higher lows, it should be okay. So stay above the 50 EMA. So stay above like $1.15 ATMX. You should be fine. Should be okay. Oh, let's go, Doug. Let's go. Had my personal best day today, 12. Just wanted to say thank you. I've learned a lot from you and the community. That's amazing. Love it. That is amazing, Doug. Thank you very much for the super chat as well. It's, thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well done. $1,200. Monies. 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 Love it. Let's go. Love it. Yeah, we have some amazing members, which is all, you know what, it's what the community is about. Joe, what happened? Perhaps you could. A what? No texting and driving, Joe. What are you saying? What are you saying? Three? Joe, are you saying shorts? Is that what you're saying? Shorts? Shorts, shorts, shorts? I feel like you're saying shorts. Okay, open up a shorts. Oh, music. Oh, music, 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 music. I thought you were saying short, short, short. I was like, you're addicted. Addicted. Uh, Ketamine. Some more, you think so? Yeah. Especially if we break above the previous highs, and then the answer is yes. Then the answer is yes. Then the answer is yes. Luna's climbing back? Yeah, it is. It's almost back to, well, now it looks like a triple top. So if we can break above that level, that would be good. At least it's not crashing. So at least it's not crashing. 690. Yeah, slow and steady, Musty. Slow and steady. Are you in this one? I mean, it's 17% now. $7 resistance, but slow and steady. Slow and steady. Did I? Oh, there you go, Musty. 7709. Uh, cool. If you buy and sell intraday with margin, do you pay margin rate? I don't think so. I don't think so. Um, if you do, that's new to me. I don't think so. That would be new to me. You're back? Yeah, that's cool. Uh, there we go. Revin is getting sent to the slot to the abyss. The chart looked nice on the daily, but that's before earnings came out. All these EV companies, yeah, the exchange exactly. Like all these EV companies, meh. Like yeah, EVs not it. Maybe not now. Maybe in the future, but for sure not it now. Not it. Till lunch? Oh my goodness. I went the other way, Joe. I'm short. You better crash the damn thing before you pump it. It's unbelievable. Yeah, EVs. Yeah, there's a lot of competition. Eventually, like companies will emerge and take over. But yeah, I think EV was nice when you had all these special companies doing EV. But as soon as you have like reliable companies like Toyota and Honda and everybody else doing EV, um, then you have a problem because all these other companies, unless something special happens with the Rivian or like unless they do something special, they're not going to be able to compete. How do you compete? You know, like how do you compete with if Toyota says we're doing EV, how do you compete? It's hard, isn't it? So it's hard to compete. Doo-doo-doo. Pyro CLDI. Okay. CLDI. Is that thing halted, Musty? It's behaving like it's halted, but it's really not. Hmm. And 37 cents again, 38. 38. Uh, uh, here we go. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, LUDP. Yeah, it should tell you on the Nasdaq exchange like what the different like terms are though. I didn't hear your response. Is it cool to take us out on those three songs? Let me go take a look. Let me go take a look. Ski. You send those songs now or like earlier, Joe? I have to go look. I have to go look. I will have to go look. Ski. Let's see. How do I modify that though? Let me take a look, Joe. Otherwise, I'm sure I've downloaded the songs, but then I always lose them. Always, every single time. CLDI. Oh wow, look at that run. Look at that run, Wes. 69%. Of course, it's halted at 69. It couldn't be any other number, you know? It just had to be 69. Just had to be the 69. Here you go. Why is the 69 significant? I don't know why. For some reason, Pablo likes it, and it's always stocks are always halted at that number. I don't know. Don't know why it's significant, but you guys seem to like it. So, anyways, I don't know why it's significant. Look at that run. My goodness. And the volume is super weird too. Like it's 195,000 shares. I bet you the volume is gonna come in after that. Oh, it's unhalted now. And drop. Yeah, it's halted down now. So halted down. Crazy. Yeah, Joe. Yes. There we go. Likes 13 because he has 13 the last supper 1 year before he started trading. Yes. The bid is now at 70 cents. Yeah, when stuff halts down, you want to be very careful. Yup. This is the reason why we say like don't let if you're holding a stock and it gets halted up, you don't want it below the halt price. because there's a really good chance it's gonna halt down, and when it does halt down, it it's gonna open lower, right? So you want to be very careful with that stuff. Luna is still failing at the same damn resistance over and over and over. 930, 935, 930. My goodness, my goodness. Do, do, Interesting. Okay. Possible breakout for Lucid. Let me look. Lucid. 900. Where's Sky? Sky used to holding those calls for. I used to holding those calls. The calls. SMCI is at 900. Oh my days. Possible breakout. No. You have one left. That's impressive. Very impressive. No, there's no breakout here. Unless that thing gets back to about 3 or 4 or something, and then maybe. Yeah. So that's not a breakout. Not a breakout. Lucid is taking a break, yeah. If you look at the daily, though, look at this daily chart. It's loading. You're gonna see like why. Yeah, look at that, right? Like Lucid just kept failing there, right? Look at that resistance for 2 weeks. Lucid could not get above like 380. So 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Fail, 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 fail. 380, 380, 380. And then eventually to the abyss. So, to the abyss. To the abyss. Interesting. Yeah, I need to go read those messages, Sky, in that channel. Just wondering if you made all that money back. Most of it, though. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazings. Let's delete this one. 7180. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. We have 5 minutes left, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Okay. 5 minutes, and then we shall hop off and go to the Discord. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Let's get to 100 likes. Alrighty, so smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. All right, let me go back to this is the one from yesterday. YT VTYX. That's quite a nice run. That was a nice pre-market breakout. Yogi 530. So maybe a retest of 530 at some point. Yep. That's a really nice breakout. A very nice breakout. Very slowly. Yep. You're in below 5. Okay, nice, good job. Yeah, you're in. My goodness, you're in all the way at the very bottom, almost. Almost, Yogi. When you're in something and you see candles like those ones, ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, Yogi. What's the bottom of that range again? Here we go. La, 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 la. 5080. Yep. Okay. Yes, yes. Not sure what the daily looks like on this thing though, because I know it's ran like it ran a few days ago. So the daily, how to gauge the confidence to buy when things are going down? By fear, it's always a struggle for me. Yeah, I mean, Wes, stuff like that. You have to remember that. Think about it this way: like the markets always go up, right? Always, always, always. We always end up going back. We always end up going back to the moon. So when the market is crashing and people are panicking, you just have to again, look at these companies and say like these are amazing companies. The companies themselves are not going anywhere, and they're still printing money. Like if the company is still making money, yes, the price might not reflect the way the company is performing, but eventually it will. So you just have to focus on like the fundamentals when the markets are crashing. Are they printing monies? Okay, cool. Any warning signs from the company itself? Okay, cool. Why is everything crashing? Because some stupid stuff is happening. Because somebody's attacking somebody else. Russia is attacking this person's attacking this person. It's not the company itself, and they're still printing money. So you have to focus on like stuff like that. Fundamentals. And then if it's long term, you eventually get paid. See you, humble. I know, me too. Rosalie, Rose. Welcome to the community. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let me send you an invite. So this is your invite. Click the link at the bottom of the chat, Rose, and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah. It's hard though, isn't it? Like to buy stuff when everybody's panicking and it's like, oh my goodness, the world is coming to an end. The S&P is going to 200, and then boom skis. 6 months later, it's like I wish I didn't listen and just bought everything. Everybody panics, and it's not just like retail. Everybody panics. The media panics. Um, Jim Cramer panics. Everybody panics. So everybody is like, oh my goodness. And I wish I didn't. Yeah, exactly. I know. Yup. 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 Anyways, 200. Oh my god. That would be like a forever hold until they do the split, and then your average goes to $20, and the stock is still at 200, and now you're happy forever. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go boom skis, doesn't it, Joe? That thing looks like it wants to fly to the moon now. That's another breakout. That's another all-time high. Another all-time high. Sheesh, crazy. To get a decent size position, it does, doesn't it? Which is annoying, very annoying. Which is very annoying. Okay, there we go. No. Yep. It's all Joe's fault, As soon as Joe said long-term investments, the market said, "Ooh, give him all-time highs, all-time highs, all-time highs." Interesting. Valhalla. Yep. Yeah, you almost have to find a way to find a way to almost separate the accounts. One is like your long-term stuff, and the other one is like your crazy stuff. Otherwise, it's non-stop panicking, and like you almost have the same mentality for complete different positions. To cool beans. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good, Joe. Sounds good. Cool beans. Yeah, that's crazy. Markets all-time highs again. Wild, isn't it? Wild, wild. Okay. You hope you can stay green. Yeah, Luna just popped. Very nice. So again, as long as Luna stays above $8, there's a chance. There goes 950. Finally, 960. So Jeff is celebrating now. Where's Jeff? Celebrating. Like, yay, Luna, go, 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 go. Luna, go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Come on, Luna. You said 100 and what for vacation? My goodness. Okay. Okay, let me go find the music. $200 and you're taking a long vacation away from Okay, sounds good. Well, let's see. $10 a share. Okay, those SPACs though, yeah, SPACs. These beats are made by Joe, by the way, in the chat. So listen to these beats and then call it a day. Make sure I don't have to. Okay. This one has that nice vibe to it too. It's like hey, 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 hey. Ah, come on. I want to buy some puts on Luna. Let me take a look actually. Let me look at the option chain. Let me pull it up on this side. So Luna has options now, by the way. So LUNR option. So I just want to see what they look like, see what they look like. Does it even show up yet? Hmm. Does it show up for you? That was a nice beat. I like that. And then this one's called Laps. You see them? Okay. Spread is three 3 miles wide. Yeah, that's the problem. If the spread is that big, that means that they just don't have enough volume yet. Yeah. Then Sky becomes a yeah. Let me see. So yeah, those things have a lot of volume. Some of them have a lot of volume. Wow. the bid and the ask. Oh my goodness, that thing is crazy. Yeah, you might have to put a bid and see if it gets filled or something. Yeah, $10 calls. Damn expensive. Yeah. 315, 750 puts. 75 cents to $2.30. No thanks. Yeah. Yeah, the $10 calls. Yeah. I don't know though. I don't know. Jeez. Luna. Yeah, this one is halted up. It's halted. Well, is it halted down or is it halted up? It seems like it's halted down. CLDI. CLDI. That last song is called Ooh Wee. Ooh Wee. I like it. I like it. Ooh Wee. Ooh Wee. Two, yeah, it's crazy. And then it gets halted every 2 seconds, so be careful. Be very careful. I'm surprised this one has been disappointing today, Justin. LRHC. That thing looked really good in pre-market. Like it was going to do some things. And it's been disappointing. What did we? Yeah, we ran to 6:30. 6:30, and then nothing. It came out of the upward Tyson. Yeah, just be careful with that stuff. Be very careful. What's PTPI doing again here? PTPI. Anything? Nope. That stock is so slow. My goodness. Yeah, long at $6. Yeah. I mean, it looks like it's building a nice little demand zone there, but still, hopefully stays above 320 and then go back up. Yeah, La Rosa. I wonder if we just keep pumping like this all day today on the markets. On something, on NVIDIA. NVIDIA. 777. My goodness. Yeah, those are some. That looks like a nice double top at 780, doesn't it? I wonder if it actually stays below that level, Virus. 780. 780. And then to the abyss. Working on the lab. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Let's go. Thank you, Joe. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. I like the beats. It's nice to listen to other stuff too, not just the rubbish we listen to every single day. Not just the rubbish. Interesting. I wonder if Nvidia is if it's gonna fake out and then go back to the highs again. Yeah, 2 minutes ago. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, this candle pop and then dropped, or both. Hmm. It did that, and it looks like a triple top, doesn't it, Virus? Interesting. Very interesting. Uh oh. Uh-oh. Send it to the abyss. Yeah, 81. Okay. Oh, yeah, 81.55. 81.55. Interesting. We'll see. You're in long? Yes, you did two longs now. You want new all-time highs, Joe, again? Can we just crash? Can we just go like all the way back to five? Joe, come on, make the phone call. Just send it to the abyss. You know? Just crash it. Too much pumping in one day. You can't just keep hitting all-time highs. Someone's gonna get hurt. Luna is hitting testing the highs again. 970. Nice. Six? My goodness. My goodness. No, no, no. If I get out and then watch Nvidia go to 12, you want to hold for gold? Yeah, I mean, I don't think like just one drop on Nvidia doesn't like this is not a big warning sign. That's not a big red flag yet. It's still kind of sitting in the same range anyways, so I wouldn't be selling there because you see a little bit of a red. So, I mean, look at what Nvidia has done over the last like 30 minutes. Basically nothing. So I don't really think I don't really think there's a oof. Did you see that, Joe? You made, oh my days. Oof. Oh my days. I had to get out of that one. Ooh, did you see that? My goodness. Yeah, Luna is hitting 990 now, so that's nice. Almost $10. Dang, maybe I should have stayed in that shorts because that's what I kind of wanted, but take it. Oof. Dang, I wish I added more to that short now. Come on, me, you double down. Oh my days, Joe. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, la 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 la. Let's see. Perfect. Tesla is embarrassing. Why? Tesla. It really is embarrassing, isn't it? Market's all-time highs, Tesla is still below 200. It really is. It really is. Um, 120 puts out for next month. I was going down 60. I was down 65%. Average to 38. Okay, ARM. Virus, what do you think of ARM? Virus is watching ARM like a hawk. Like a hawk. I just want to see what it looks like here on a bigger time frame. Do 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 do. Abyss on the 12th. Okay, there you go. As long as you have time on those puts. Yep, I would say like if I was holding those puts, I'd be okay with those puts as long as we stay below 140. If we like, I'd be okay with that as long as we stay in those. La, la. Virus, that's really damn funny. Yeah, Luna. Yeah, Luna finally broke above $10. So finally broke above $10. So just stay above just stay above 10. Just stay above 10. Yep. Stay above 10. 1018. Some vibes finally. CPOP. Okay. Can we make it back to $4, 440 on wet? We touch. I mean, you're not that far off. You're definitely not that far off. So, and it's going in the right direction. So, yeah, not that far off, Ness. You're in, Tom. You're in at 850. Nice, congratulations. Yeah, you're nice and smiley now, right? So again, as long as $8 holds, you're fine. As long as $8 holds. Do 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 do. La la la. You're being greedy. That's okay. That's okay. Make monies, please. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it there for today, though. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe. Alrighty. Again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. We're gonna be in Discord, so click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbots, and come join us. Smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. All the other fun things. And thanks, Kim. Thanks, Kimbella. Thank you. Thank you. And yeah, this one is still getting halted up though. CLDI, not bad. Bye bye R7. Bye Jay. Be safe. Should I be worried about something? No, Dan. You should not. You should not be. You should not. La, 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 la. You should not. Later virus. Jay, have a wonderful day as well. Joe, let's go. See you later. Tom, have a wonderful day. And yeah, radio. Luna, yeah. No, we're gonna be watching Luna in Discord. Luna is failing at $10, just above $10. We're gonna be watching. So, alrighty, y'all. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, bye. Take care, Jay.